Hi guys, happy Friday. This is Mrs. Tucker. I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be posting something today actually for next week, and today is Friday the 23rd, homecoming. I know that I've mentioned to you guys in earlier videos that we would like to offer AVID AVL tutorials. So we're going to try to start offering that next week. That would be on Tuesdays or Thursdays after school from 3:05 until 3:35. So in the beginning, we'll start with 30 minutes, but depending on how many students that we actually get to sign up, we will possibly go a little bit longer, not a lot longer. And let me change that so that's at 30 minutes. Now, if you remember, so if you were in AVID physically in the building at school, Tuesdays and Thursdays, we do tutorials where you can get help in English, math, science, social studies. You do a form called a TRF, and then with the TRF, what happens is it helps us break down your problem where you need help, and then we work in a small group to collaborate and help you solve the problem. If you did your assignments from last 9 weeks, I even showed you some videos and you were supposed to watch some sample AVID tutorial videos. Now, although we are not together, we can still meet in a small group through Google Meets, and we can collaborate to help each other work on problems. So the way it would work is I'm going to start sending this to you guys over the weekend. I will probably send it either Friday, possibly Saturday, most likely Friday, but for the next week. Then what you're going to do is I will say we are offering AVID tutorials next week. So I should say that next week because I'm thinking of you reading it now. It will be from 3:05 to 3:35. If there's enough interest, we'll go longer. Please complete the attached Google form if you will attend tutorials. So you're going to give me your last name, your first name, the class period that you're in, and then notice it says, I would like to attend AVID tutorials Tuesday 3:05, Thursday 3:05, or during my assigned AVID period, because some of you are distance learners and you might be in my first period class and you really want to get help from first period. Well, we will get a laptop and we will log you in so you can sit with a group and get help, okay? Now, guys, notice on this, you can do both Tuesday and Thursday. You can do just Thursday. It really depends on you, okay? Now, you're going to submit that to me, but the deadline is always going to be Monday by 3 p.m. because I need to know whether I need to ask the tutors to stay after school or not. So again, we will have the sign-in. I will look at it Monday afternoon, and then I will create Google Meets classrooms, and I'll have two. I will have one with one tutor and one with another tutor. So the tutor will be in there, I will be in there, and then a group of students. Ideally, I would like seniors with seniors, sophomores with sophomores, juniors with juniors, stuff like that. But just depending on the content, you know, I might have one sophomore who's in Algebra 2 or two sophomores in Algebra 2 and two juniors who are in Algebra 2. Well, that would be good for you guys to work together because it's Algebra 2. Then we're going to present our problems on a whiteboard. We'll probably use Jamboard like we had. If I can find something a little bit easier, we'll do that. And one person will present at a time, and then the rest of the group will help actually that person discover their problem. All right. If this is confusing, please reach out to me. I want to make sure that if you need the help and want the help and can show up, that you do show up. Okay. And even if you are a distance learner, you don't necessarily want to log into your class period, you can meet in these after school times also. All right, guys, I hope that this helps, and I hope we get some definite interest next week. Thank you.